Welcome to the world of ASSA ABLOY. Every day, we create access for billions of people around the world. As the global leader in access solutions, we offer opening solutions, trusted identities, entrance automation, and service for companies, institutions, and homes. Since 1994, we have expanded successfully through organic growth and more than 300 acquisitions. Today, we are present in over 70 countries. Our products and solutions create access to your home, at work or school, when you shop or travel. Some products are very visible, like keys, locks, and doors, while other products are embedded in solutions like e-passports and identity solutions. ASSA ABLOY is a large and diverse group, but we also have a lot in common. We share ambitions, and we let empowerment, innovation, and integrity guide our work. Together with our customers and partners, we will continue to develop innovative access solutions to help people feel safe and secure so that they can experience a more open world.